How did you do that last night?
I had to I bailed from flip. You want to rotate it because you're slow.
But I committed.
So did I.
I didn't bail. I rode that thing to the ground.
I landed the first one.
My crash was way more violent.
It was. I walked away.
I walked away.
I mean, I just had a hurt arm, but...
I might have messed up my thumb, but...
Yeah, you can't say nothing. You're not racing either.
Hey, I'm here for the party tonight. We got other people representing us, like your brother.
My mom told me I had to stay with her. I said, no, I'm going back.
Ready to go. DQ down there. Thumbs up, and they're on it.
I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan. I'm waking up at like 11 in the morning, playing by the rules, yo, it's just so boring. I'm eating Captain Crunch for lunch, do I got issues? Yeah, man, I got a bunch. Like late night fist fights, half pints and dirt bikes. Yo, I love them all, so they label me an outlaw. But I still keep it raw. You don't have to respect me, you can love me or hate me, but I ain't gonna change and you ain't gonna make me. The lyrical privilege, full pledge, living life on the edge. Straight out of control, self-proclaimed asshole. And I am what I am. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan. Thinking of my next hustle, looking for the next sorry fuck rockin' muscle. Talking shit for the fuck of it, running amok and still loving it. A hoodlum role model, chugging on a Jaeger bottle. Hashtag t-shirts and baggy pants, putting in work, growing some bud plans. Oh, it's a hard life we live, but nothing's changed ever since I was a kid. So a fuck is something that I still don't give. Maybe it's in my genes, maybe I was born to be spiteful and mean, but whatever it is, I wouldn't change a thing. It's all about living life in the fast lane. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan. The West Coast bruiser, 5'9" cruiser, 100% natural born loser that never sold out, not even once. Dedicate my life to rocking Mike's dirt bikes and knocking out fronts. A menace to sobriety with the variety of mental problems that refuse to quit till I hit rock bottom. Addicted to Cadillacs, jumbo jacks, 12 packs and fat tracks. The local ball superstar whose mind scarred from punching the time card. A strip club stalker, late night streetwalker, a loner with the boner, trying to make some money but my printer's out of toner. I am what I am, and
What's in this box? I wonder what's in this box. Oh wow, we got some 9-2 crew sunglasses? Are you serious? Hey dude, hey, you're pretty fast. I want to know what's in your backpack. What's in your backpack that makes you so fast? What's your name?
Deegan Davidson.
This is Deegan Davidson. I don't know if you guys saw him in the youth class earlier. And he was pretty, whoa, bud. Whoa. I don't know if I'd be showing people that. I don't know if I'd be showing people that, you know what I'm saying? We'll just keep that between ourselves. What's the dollar for?
I showed my titties.
Really? And made $1? I'd say that was about fair for the most part. You can thank your sponsor since you won your race.
I would like to thank Go Time Throwdown for the sick pit bike races they have going on. Shitty Coolers for the sick cooler backpack, jetpack. I would like to thank your Sailor. And then I would like to just thank all my sponsors I forgot.
Right on.
hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan. I'm waking up at like 11 7 in the morning, playing by the rules, yo, it's just so boring. I'm eating Captain Crunch for lunch. Do I got issues? Yeah, man, I got a bunch. Like late night fist fights, half pints and dirt bikes. Yo, I love them all, so they label me an outlaw. But I still keep it raw. You don't have to respect me, you can love me or hate me, but I ain't gonna change and you ain't gonna make me. The lyrical privilege, full pledge, living life on the edge, straight out of control, self-proclaimed asshole. And I am what I am.
What I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am.
How was it?
Pretty good.
How was the mud?
Mud.
I thought that when they said mud, I thought it'd be a lot worse. Honda never even slowed down.
I just want to thank you're the slowest rider ever, Sailor.
You're welcome.
He's going super fast. I want to thank my brother for breaking his weenus all the time.
Oh, is that dude right there?
The one with the broken weenus down there.
Yeah, I'm the reason he didn't.
You have a broken weenus?
Okay, you want to?
I know.
A little bit.
Oh yeah. I smoked a tree with my front fender.
What'd you do to the bike?
I don't break. Break the exotic sticker.
Oh, that's just
Right in
aftermarket.
half.
Oh yeah.